Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Edge 20, and today I will show you how to record the screen on this device. And to get started, you'll want to pull down your notification panel and look for the screen recording toggle, which for me looks to be on the second page right over here. So once you find it, you can either tap on it instantly to start recording, or you can hold the toggle, which will take you to the settings. So from here you have a couple toggles and things that you can change. Number one, we have viewfinder size, which basically I believe this is the selfie camera that will be added into the video. So we have large or small. Well, the difference is being shown immediately right here. This is the actual size that it will be visible on the screen. Then we have resolution 720p or 1080, which I'll obviously go with the 1080. A record time limit, so we do have actually a time limiter here, which is a thing that I never seen before, meaning that you can set it up and this will record for right now 60 minutes, but you can change it to anything, either unlimited, 5 minutes, 10, 30, or 60 obviously. So choose whichever one you want, or you can keep it unlimited, so you'll define when to start and stop it. And then we also have a file size limit, which again just allows you to cap it at a specific size. So we have 1 gigabyte, half, 100 megs, 10 megs, and unlimited, which basically allows you to, again, indefinitely record till you reach the maximum capacity of your phone's storage. And we also have record touch points, so whenever you're touching the screen, this will be recorded. Now there's some, as you can see, couple semi-useless options here, but then it's lacking some other fairly important settings, like, as an example, frame rate. So that's a little bit of a shame. But anyway, once you set it all up the way you want to, you just kind of leave this section and go back to the toggle itself and tap on it. And as you can see, it will start down the countdown and then start recording. And from here, you can, for instance, mute the microphone if you don't want it. You can select to record system sound or mic and system sound, though I wouldn't recommend using that without headphones. And additionally, you can draw. We can also add the selfie camera, as you can see right here. And you can also pause the video, so you can open up some app or load something up and then resume the recording, which will basically, from the recording standpoint, remove the wait time that you had to go through, so it will be basically instant. And yeah, once you're done, you can tap on the red square and this will automatically save the video to your gallery application. So I'll quickly find that application. If I can quickly find it. Oh, there we go, photos. And in here, we should have our, oh, there we go, in the library. You can find it easily under probably screen. And I'll start recording. Yep, there we go. So I'm gonna mute it just so I don't hear myself. As you can see, there is a couple like presses that I was doing, but the overlay is not actually visible on the recording. Give it a moment. There is the little image. So yeah, it's basically the screen recording. And yeah, that is how you would record it. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.